guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another makeup vlog and it will be about Korean makeup tutorial. Well, even though I'm not a Korean, but I'm a nation, I'm a pure Filipina, it's a little bit of a challenge for me to do a Korean makeup look because most of the Korean girls do have this straight eyebrows and small eyes, which is the chinita look that we are talking here. Well, I don't have that kind of face, so it's a little bit challenge for me because my eyebrows are so thick and my eyes are so big. Anyway, I did a poll a few days ago about what will be the makeup tutorial that I will gonna do on my next vlog, and here it is. A lot of you guys voted yes on my poll and only one of you guys didn't like Korean makeup looks, so yeah, majority wins. Well, some of you guys are asking me why I keep on speaking in English, because I do have friends overseas who are not Filipina or not Filipinos at all, and they cannot understand Tagalog, so I need to speak in English for them to understand what I'm talking about on my videos, right? Anyway, I really want to thank you guys for watching my vlogs every time I upload one. And well, I don't like dramas at all, so yeah. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have a clean face before you do your makeup. And I was just gonna tie my hair, and I'm gonna use this cute hairpins. So I'm gonna use this Nivea or whatever. I'm going to use this Micellar Air Skin Breath Acne Clear. Here it is. And since I don't have a cotton pad, I'm going to use a cotton. Apply some of this. Even though I don't have acne or pimples on my face, I still have this redness, which I really don't like because sometimes I experience this discoloration on my face and I cannot go out without foundation, which is very sad. So just make sure that you have this clean face before you start doing your makeup. Well, since I do have a thick eyebrow, I'm going to use this washable School Glue Disappearing Purple, which I bought on a Japanese store, and I'm just gonna apply this on my eyebrows, and I need to hide half of it to make it straight because my eyebrows are not straight. So you need to use a spoolie brush and just brush it upward. So I already applied some glue on the other eyebrow, so the next thing that you need to do to hide your eyebrows is to apply some setting powder. So you need to have your brush and apply some of this. You need to add some powder on top of your eyebrows before applying concealer. And then the next thing that you need to do is to apply concealer. So I'm gonna use a Stay Steady Full Cover Concealer because this is the best concealer for me. So we just need to grab some brush, and I will gonna apply some concealer on top of my eyebrows. It's a little bit visible, but that is totally fine because we're still gonna apply some foundation and concealer later. I'm done hiding my eyebrows. Even though it's a little bit visible, we can still work on that later. So we're gonna use a bright shade of foundation, so I'm gonna use a Maybelline Fit Me with a shade of 112, which is the natural ivory. This is a lighter shade compared to my skin tone, so I'm gonna use some of this and I'm gonna mix it with the Stay Steady Full Cover Concealer, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna mix them together. So I just poked my eye and I'm crying. So I'm done with the foundation, so I'm gonna apply some setting powder to set my face, and I'm gonna start to do baking as well. I look like a ghost. The next thing that we're gonna do is applying an eyebrows. I mean, drawing my eyebrows, painting my eyebrows, or whatever. So I'm gonna use my eyebrow brush from Anastasia, and I'm going to use this Wonder Brow with a shade of blonde. This is the shade of this eyebrow gel that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna do a swatch here so you can actually see it. The shade will be like something like that. So it's a gel, so it dries up quickly. So I'll just need to draw my eyebrows and make it look straight. Okay, let's do this. I already draw my eyebrows, but they are not that straight, and I'm going to apply some concealer around my eyebrows, and I'm planning to make them more lighter. Okay, so I'm done with the eyebrows. I know they are not that perfect compared to a real Korean eyebrows, but I made them a little bit straighter and a little bit lighter compared to my real eyebrows. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we are going to apply an eyeshadow, but before that we're gonna apply some setting powder under my eye. So we're just gonna use the same beauty blender and apply some powder under your eye before applying an eyeshadow. Okay. Well, I actually browse or check some Korean makeup look online, and I just discovered that Korean makeup looks doesn't have this heavy eyeshadow. They like, well, most of them like lighter colors like peach, pink, and shimmering eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette that we're gonna use today is the Nude palette by Huda Beauty, because this is the only palette that I have with lighter colors of eyeshadow. So before we start, we need to grab some eyeshadow brush, and the first color that I'm planning to use is this one. This is the shade of Teddy, so we're just gonna get some of this and we're gonna mix it with a play. So I just need to mix them together just like watercolor, and I'll just need to apply that on my eyelid. So Korean makeup are just like a fresh makeup look. Annyeonghaseyo! Well, what I like about Koreans is that they like all of the cute things in the world, and I like how they do their outfits, their OOTDs. That is what I like about them. Anyway, the next eyeshadow that we're gonna use is this Daydream. I think it will be cute. It's kind of a shimmery eyeshadow and with a little bit of white eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid. Then after that, I'm going to use this glitter eyeshadow that I have here, and I'm going to choose this white eyeshadow, I guess. So I'm going to get an eyeshadow brush, and I will apply just a little bit of this glitter eyeshadow. And then just brush off the powder under your eyes so you can apply an eyeshadow as well here. So I'm going to use the same brush that I use on applying my eyeshadow, and then I'm going back to this shade, mix them together, and I will apply and some of this under my eye. Just a little bit much. You don't want to over apply some of this because it will look like a heavy makeup. And after the eyeshadow, I'm going to do a little bit of contouring because I want to make my nose small. I'll just use this contouring kit that I have here, and I'm going to contour my nose and make it smaller. Okay, so I'm done with the contouring. So the next thing that we're gonna do is I'm going to apply an eyeliner, just a little bit eyeliner on this part. So I'll just need to apply some of this and I'll get back. Okay, so I'm done with the eyeliner. So we're gonna apply some highlighters, and I just broke my highlighter. See, I just broke it. Well, I'm going to apply some of this pink, I guess. I don't know what shade is this, and it doesn't indicate it, so the blush that I'm using is by Maybelline Fit Me, and I'll just need to grab some blush and brush. Okay, I'm almost done. So the eyelashes that I'm going to use, these are natural eyelashes that I got from my friend. She gave it to me, and I just celebrated my birthday because they know that I love makeup. So thank you for this. So I'll just need to apply some of this, and then I'll get back for my lipstick. I don't know, just lip color. I just applied my lashes, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some mascara. And yeah, just need to apply it on my eyelashes to make it look more natural. So for the final touch, which is the lip, I'm going to apply some lip tints. So the lip tints that I have here are from Shines with the shade of Elegance, and another by Joy Color with a Silky Light lip gloss. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Joy Color. So it's a little bit of a hot red, so I'm going to apply just a small amount of this, and I'm going to apply just the center part of my lips. Because Koreans doesn't have that big lips, so we're gonna try to make it smaller. And then I'm going to apply the other lip tint, which is darker than the other one. So here is the final look for this Korean makeup tutorial. So if you want to be a Korean just for a day, just watch this video and follow the steps that I just did. And also don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you're new here, and also follow me on my Facebook page, which is Ray Alona, and also I do have an Instagram account, just follow me there. And also, if you have any ideas that you want me to do on my next vlog, just comment down below and I'm sure that I will gonna read all of your comments. And yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching, lovies. 감사합니다.